window for show.
The city of victory came into dimension. Again going up, this is an entrance, right? Wow. Oh, she's happy.
Hi.
See car holding the sun. We are ending with Kamalapura Lake. The fascinating history and the ruins of Vijayanagara Empire you can see here. This was strongest gate in Hampi, a raised platform. This is an indoor aquatic complex. I'm in front of a Jain temple said to be built in 13th century. This is an unique monument, one of the highest spots. Step tanks here are considered to be the sacred tanks for a holy bath before visiting any religious place of importance. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of Tint and Travel. See the rush.
No cows are here, right?
See?
Let's just get out, Dad. I don't want to be caught by any
Not
cows
this cow.
again. Shut up.
Now we are in Royal Enclosure.
Yes.
Going to
Queen's Bath.
Queen's Bath.
I have something to tell you when we reach to Queen's Bath.
This is the one. See?
Oh my God. Is it huge?
Yeah, this is huge, right? See?
Is it a bathing complex?
Yeah. Where is the entrance?
I think the entrance is in the other side.
See? Huge, right?
Yeah.
Well, yesterday we have seen one.
Yeah.
Octagonal bath.
Octagonal.
Nanda. Octagonal
Octagonal.
means with 8 sides.
Yeah.
This is a rectangular one.
So can't you see the bridge? Where's the entrance? Nobody knows. I've been
This is the
dying
entrance.
to see this. Oh, it's coming. But it is something. Not bad.
How's it?
Awesome. And speaking of Queen's Bath, there's something I learned in history about the Harappan civilization. There's a bathing complex in Mohenjo-daro named as Great Bath. For that, they have a well, an entrance, and some rooms for changing their dresses. Actually, the Great Bath was used for the special VIPs. That VIPs will be there now. And
Yeah,
they
here
only
also
bath-
same.
Oh.
This is for queens, right?
Oh. And they only use it for sometimes ritual festivals.
See, this is the Queen's Bath.
Queen's Bath.
See, you know how they fill water
Yeah.
through this channel.
Yeah.
Through this way, they fill water. And I will show you how they drain the water. Come,
It'll flow down.
Can you see that hole?
Yeah.
through that holes. Like same like
Drain it off, right?
they will drain it out. The same like swimming pool.
Yeah.
See the technology they used those days. Wow, it's an elegant structure.
Yeah. Hey.
Super.
Yeah. Awesome. This used to be the sitting place after they done their bath. Window for show. Okay.
See this? Wow, nice. From here also you can see. So you see on the.
We can't go down.
This is an indoor aquatic complex, specially used for the royal family bathing. Very huge structure in royal enclosure. Such a fascinating structure in Hampi. Now we'll go to the next attraction.
Okay.
How's it, Nanda?
Awesome.
Now we are going to
Yes. Mahanavami Gibba. Dibbar.
So this is the monolithic stone door. Can you see this? See this? This is the lock. Broken,
Yeah.
made of rock.
Yeah.
Entering royal enclosure. Royal enclosure, the nucleus of the capital city of Vijayanagara, in the ancient city, occupying an area of 59,000 square meter. This is the door,
Yes.
the stone door
Yeah.
to the royal enclosure.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Now we'll go inside.
Okay.
Massive structure, right?
Yeah.
On this stone only they have constructed remaining part, right?
Yeah.
Oh, and
They
the
constructed
stone
on the stone
only.
itself. The boulders.
Like this in Egyptian civilization also I learned.
Mhm.
Yeah, there is this structure, rock structure. The first part was made from a cliff, and then this other parts they were made from the builders.
Mhm. Go by this route or that route.
This route is enough.
Okay. Now we are entering royal enclosure. Think so.
Yes.
This is the royal enclosure. Once we enter the royal enclosure, left side you can see Mahanavami Dibba.
Yeah.
It's a pyramidal three-tiered stone platform raising to a height of 8 meters. It is located to the northeast of the royal enclosure. It was one of the most important ceremonial structures built in granite. It is dated back to 16th century. Diminishing three-tier structure. First layer you can see elephants,
Elephants, and second
horses carvings, dancing girls.
in the top layer. I mean here.
Yeah.
Is supposed to be some elephant or Nandi statue? Elephant, I think. If it's not,
Wow. On the top of this, kings used to watch the Dasara celebration.
Oh, these and all it's
See, everything ruins only here. I think around 40 plus monuments are there inside royal enclosure. You can see all the ruins.
thing to see, I think.
Yeah, we'll go on the top. That is the step well or step tank.
that is water channel. See, can you see that?
Yeah, they use that channel for filling water in that tank. That is also a beautiful structure. We will go there after this. Awesome. Super. This is an unique monument, one of the highest spot in this location. See, this is actually the special entrance for kings for entering into this Mahanavami platform entrance.
Oh, this is
Okay.
the entrance. And I think they made the other side the entrance for show.
No, we have three entrances.
This almost looks like a shark structure a little bit, or a dolphin structure.
This was built during the Vijayanagara period by King Krishnadevaraya to commemorate his victory over Udayagiri. Now this is a ruined structure.
Yeah.
Ma, there's a shade here.
Hampi reached its peak of glory under Krishnadevaraya, under whom Hampi, the city of victory, came into full power. Hampi was destroyed in 1565 by Deccan Sultanates. We are in front of Mahanavami Gibba, where the kings used to watch army march past, bow and arrow competitions, war games such as sword fighting competition, wrestling, aquatic sports, musical performance of the royal animals and the hugely significant Navaratri celebration from the raised structure of the grand platform. See this? These are all ruins. The royal palaces or some other structures.
Yes.
There are more than 40 structures are there inside this royal enclosure. You would have seen so many pushkaranis or water tanks so far, but this is the one you should not miss when you are there in Hampi. See this?
Oh my god. Stepped.
How's it?
Awesome.
See the steps? They are not allowed to step in. See how beautifully they build this.
Yeah.
This is step tank. Step tanks here are considered to be the sacred tanks for a holy bath before visiting any religious place of importance. You can see there are steps on all four interior sides
Yeah.
so that they can step down to get in and get out of the water.
Yeah.
That is the purpose of these steps. Super. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like that it is so deep.
Yeah, that's why
See,
they're not
kids are
allowed.
throwing stones. This is geometrically larger in dimension. Built by a special green granite, it seems. So it is a different stone altogether, not like the other stones. Yeah, this is the water channel. See this?
I'm thirsty.
See, this is another beautiful structure, right? A performance platform. So wherein musical dance performance used to happen in this structure, this platform. Yeah, king can watch.
And from all the countries, from Persia, from everywhere, they used to come and do performance here.
Mhm. Again going up.
Yes.
So beautiful view.
It's so beautiful here. I love the view.
Come, we'll go.
Come on, this looks narrow.
Get down, Nanda. We'll go.
It looks narrow.
No, it's okay, I'm holding.
See, there were a lot of palaces were there, but we can't see that palaces now. Only ruins. The basement of that palaces were seen now.
Yeah.
Everything got demolished
Yeah.
or destroyed. This is another beautiful sacred structure in Hampi. This is a Jain temple, Ganigiti. I'm in front of a Jain temple, Hampi. This temple was built by Irukupa Dantanayaka, the minister of Bukkaraya II. This was said to be built in 13th century in a simple stone structure. This temple is dedicated to Kundanada, the 17th Tirthangara. We can't see much tourists are coming here, but this is also a beautiful structure in Hampi. See the flag post. See this. See here, inscriptions are there. All ruins only, right? No puja is happening.
Look at the sunlights.
Wow, let me see. Wow. Go back.
Oh my god. Oh, it's here.
See this.
Yeah. Boing, boing.
Now we are going to the Bhima's Gateway.
Oh.
Can you see? This is the long view.
So Bhima's Gateway, what is it?
I will tell you.
Huge one.
This one.
Yeah.
This is an entrance, right?
Yeah.
The huge.
See, this is Bhima's Gate. This is an example of the strong defense system of the Vijayanagara Empire. The defense system of this fortified city consisted of massive walls and number of large gateways. Most of the gateways had adjoining shrines that had sculptures or carvings of Bhima and Hanuman. You know the importance of Bhima and Hanuman, right? So two characters of Hindu mythology associated with immense strength. So that is the reason they have named this entrance as Bhima's entrance. So you want to go inside? You're going to that entrance. It's a massive gate.
See?
These are all sculptures, carvings of Bhima. Can you see?
Yeah.
See, this is Bhima
Nice.
holding flower in one hand, the other hand Gata.
Yeah.
Here no one is coming, right?
Yeah.
We are all interested in the other ruins and temples, but here nobody is coming. We can't see any tourist here. I think this is also Bhima, right?
Killing someone.
Think so. See here, we came out. Even I think lot of temples also there. That is a temple, ruin of a temple.
See, nice smell, that flower smell, right?
Yeah.
That plant smell. All natural sounds, birds, insects, common quiet area. I think now we covered most of the places,
Yeah.
most of the important places. Hampi is really an amazing place. The fascinating history, ruins of Vijayanagara Empire, you can see here. It is up to you. You can select where you want to go. Here, there are so many places are there to visit, so many attractions are there. Everything are important according to me, but we have selected few places. It will take minimum a week to cover most of the places. Due to time constraint, we covered very few places. I would have missed few important places in this Hampi series. Actually, we spent only 2 days here. Nanda, come here. What is this? There is a way. Something is there. Nothing, right? Can we go inside and see?
Okay.
Wow, scary. Oh, there was a entrance, exit or entrance, right?
Yeah.
But scary.
Yeah.
Let's go out.
Yeah.
Oh, she said.
Hi.
Careful, Shammi. Should be careful. Okay? You want to go there? Haha. Yeah, yeah. Step tank. Wow. But you can't see, right? Because of the light.
Yeah.
You should come here. Wow. Wow.
Nice.
See the cow.
Ugh.
Oh, I think from here the view is good. Yeah,
Yeah, much better.
yeah.
Cows.
Hmm.
Oh my god, so steep.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. I mean, I could have regretted this beauty because of the cows, but now I feel like no.
Wow.
You can see the road, you
Shall
can
we
see the
look
birds,
this
you can
side?
see the mountain. You could see our car, we could see the dog, we could see the ruins.
Wow. Very, very nice. See the view.
Yeah.
This was strongest gate in Hampi. Wow.
I knew that they would dry.
See car, very small from here. So imagine the height of this gate.
Yeah. I'm about to fall. Please don't make me walk too much. I have Tic Tacs on me, and what if the cows think I'm a... Someone's coming here.
You're watching Tintin Travel. Holding the sun. Now we are in Kamalapura Lake, near to Hampi.
Sun is going to set now. Nice view, Nanda. Oh, see a papaya tree, Nanda. Very nice.
We captured Kamalapura Lake in the first episode as well. Even last episode, we are ending with Kamalapura Lake.
Yeah.
It was a sunrise in the first episode,
Yeah.
and
The last episode is in.
last episode with sunset
Yeah.
visuals from Kamalapura Lake, Hampi.
Yes.
Hambiki poga, hambiki poga, hambiki poga, wawa.
Boing!
With this, we are ending this episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos.